This is the first that we've been out this year to sing. We're pretty excited about this whole thing. They're all the same height. I apologize. I can't get them so that you can see everyone. So if you catch your child eyes die and you can't see them, get them to move one way or the other. First song we'd like to sing for you is Bells Ring Out. Here we go.
Bells ring out to welcome Christmas. Listen to